If you want to study at CPUT in 2027, this video will guide you through the entire online application process, step by step. Many students lose opportunities every year because they apply late, upload incorrect documents, or choose courses without checking requirements properly. In this guide, I will show you what documents you need, how to apply correctly, how to avoid common mistakes, and what to do after submitting your application so you can improve your chances of acceptance. CPUT applications normally open around the middle of the year, and some competitive programs can close earlier than others. One of the biggest mistakes students make is waiting until the final weeks before applying. The application portal usually becomes slower as deadlines get closer, and support responses may also take longer. Apply as early as possible once applications open, especially if you want courses like nursing, ICT, engineering, or health sciences, because spaces can fill up quickly. Before you even open the application portal, make sure all your documents are ready and saved properly on your phone or computer. South African students usually need a certified copy of their ID, grade 11 results, latest grade 12 results if currently in matric, and a working email address and cell phone number. International students may need a passport, study permit documents, and SAQA evaluation documents depending on the qualification they are applying for at CPUT. One very important tip is to create a dedicated folder on your phone, laptop, or flash drive containing all your application documents before starting. Save everything clearly using names like ID copy, grade 11 results, and proof of residence. Many students get frustrated during applications because they cannot quickly find files while uploading documents. Also, make sure your scans or photos are clear and readable, because blurry or cropped documents can delay your application or even cause rejection from the admissions office. Before choosing a qualification, take time to read the CPUT prospectus carefully and check the APS requirements for every program you are interested in. Do not apply for courses just because friends are choosing them or because they sound popular online. You must check whether your subjects and marks actually qualify you for admission. Applying for courses you do not qualify for wastes valuable application choices and reduces your chances of receiving an offer from the university later in the selection process. When applications open, you will first need to create an online profile on the CPUT application portal. Use an email address and cell phone number that you personally control and check regularly, because important updates will be sent there. Avoid using a friend's email or a school email you may lose access to after matric. Also make sure your names, surname, ID number, and date of birth match your official documents exactly, because mistakes can create verification problems later during registration or acceptance processing. While filling in your personal information, take your time and double-check every section before moving to the next page. A small spelling mistake in your surname or entering the wrong ID number can create major problems later. Some students rush through applications and only notice errors after submission. If your home address changes, use the most reliable current address available. Also make sure your contact details remain active throughout the year, because CPUT may contact you months after your initial application submission. When selecting qualifications, try to choose multiple programs if the system allows it, instead of relying on only one choice. This improves your chances of getting accepted somewhere within the university. Choose courses that genuinely match your interests and academic performance. For example, if your mathematics marks are weak, applying for highly competitive engineering programs may not be realistic. Balance your choices wisely between dream programs and practical alternatives so you have better admission opportunities when final selections are made. The document upload section is where many students experience problems, so pay close attention here. Make sure your files are in the correct format, usually PDF or image files, and avoid uploading screenshots that are cut off or unreadable. Check every uploaded file before final submission to confirm it opened correctly. If the system asks for certified copies, ensure certification stamps are visible. Missing pages, dark images, or sideways documents can delay processing and may cause your application to remain incomplete for a long time. After submitting your application, immediately save your student number, reference number, confirmation email, and screenshots showing successful submission. Do not assume you will remember these details later, because you will need them when tracking your application status or contacting support. Create backups on your phone, email, or notebook. Many students panic months later because they lost their reference details. Staying organized from the beginning makes the entire application process much easier and reduces stress when universities start responding to applicants. One of the most important things you must do after applying is regularly track your application status online. Do not submit your application and disappear for months. Universities sometimes request additional documents or provide updates that require action from you. Common statuses include pending, provisionally accepted, waiting list, or rejected. If your status does not change for a long time, remain patient, but continue checking regularly. Also, monitor your email inbox, spam folder, SMS messages, and the official CPUT portal throughout the admission process. If you need financial assistance, remember that applying to CPUT and applying for NSFAS are two separate processes. Many students make the mistake of applying to university but forgetting NSFAS until deadlines have already passed. Apply for NSFAS as early as possible once applications open, even if you are still waiting for university acceptance. Prepare supporting documents early, including parent or guardian information if required. Funding decisions can take time, so staying ahead with applications reduces unnecessary stress closer to registration periods. If you plan to stay in university residence, understand that residence space is limited and applications are usually separate from academic applications. Many students assume accommodation is automatic after acceptance, but that is not true. Apply for residence early and regularly check for updates. If possible, also prepare backup accommodation options in case residence space becomes unavailable. Students from outside Cape Town especially need to plan accommodation early, because waiting until January can leave you struggling to find safe and affordable housing near campus. Some of the most competitive programs at CPUT fill up very quickly because thousands of students apply for limited spaces every year. Courses in nursing, information technology, engineering, health sciences, and certain design programs often receive extremely high numbers of applications. This is why applying early matters so much. Even if the official closing date is still far away, competitive programs may already have enough applicants. Early applications also give you more time to fix document problems or update results if necessary. One mistake students constantly make is applying to only one university and depending entirely on a single outcome. This is risky because university admissions are highly competitive, especially for popular programs. Apply to multiple universities and colleges if possible, so you increase your chances of studying in 2027. Keep copies of every application, password, student number, and confirmation email in one safe place. Staying organized and proactive throughout the process gives you a major advantage compared to students who wait until the last minute. If you receive an offer from CPUT, carefully follow all instructions provided in your acceptance communication. Some offers may require you to accept within a certain period before the space is given to another student. You may also need to submit final matric results, complete registration steps, or upload additional documents before classes begin. Registration normally happens closer to the beginning of the academic year, so continue checking your email and portal regularly, even after receiving acceptance confirmation from the university admissions office. The most important advice I can give you is to start early, stay organized, and check information directly from official university sources whenever possible. Do not rely entirely on social media rumors or comments from other students, because requirements and deadlines can change. Save all documents properly, monitor your emails consistently, and ask for help immediately if you experience portal problems. A successful university application is usually not about luck. It is often about preparation, patience, and paying attention to important details throughout the process.